How to prevent pregnancy within 72 hours. Hello and welcome everyone to Learnology. Today we will be discussing about emergency contraceptive pills, also called birth control pills. You can become pregnant if you have unprotected intercourse even just once. Emergency contraceptive pills can prevent pregnancy. When should I use the emergency contraceptive pills? Emergency contraceptive pills is best used within 72 hours, 3 days after unprotected sex. It may be prescribed at up to 5 days, but there is less evidence about how well it works then. Remember, the sooner you take the pills, the better it will work. Emergency contraceptive pills should only be used in an emergency. Use if condom broke or slipped. If mistaking 2 or more of your birth control pills. Is the emergency contraceptive pills safe? Yes, but do not use regularly. What if I am already pregnant? Emergency contraceptive pills will not make your pregnancy go away. It is not an abortion pill. Side effects. The most common side effects of emergency contraceptive pills are nausea and vomiting. Some women also have tender breasts, bloating, irregular bleeding, and headache. These do not last longer. If you threw up within an hour of taking the first dose of emergency contraceptive pills, you need to take more emergency contraceptive pills. How do I use the emergency contraceptive pills? Take the first one as soon as possible. Take second one 12 hours later. The first dose must be taken within 72 hours after unprotected sex. It could be 5 days according to your doctor's prescription. Why not just use emergency contraceptive pills each time I have sex? Emergency contraceptive pills is not good at preventing pregnancy as other method of birth control, such as birth control pills taken regularly. In addition, you should be using condoms to prevent sexually transmitted diseases like HIV/AIDS.